Hello to my favorite lions. Your launch text for Unit 2, with the theme being survival, is on page 126 of your textbook, Volume 1. And the title of your launch text is called The Cost of Survival. The launch text will always be an example of the essay that you are going to write for this unit. This selection is an example of an argumentative text, a type of writing in which an author states and defends a position on a topic. This is the type of writing you will develop in the performance-based assessment at the end of the unit. As you read, look at the way the writer builds a case. Mark the text to help you answer this question: what is the writer's position and what evidence supports it? Paragraph 1. Some people willingly put themselves in life and death situations. Mountain climbers and base jumpers knowingly face danger, and they usually walk away safely. However, when things don't turn out well, a lost climber or an injured base jumper may need help. The police, fire department, rescue workers, and medical teams do their best to save an adventurer's life. These efforts can cost a lot of money. The adventurer should be the one to foot the bill. Two big news stories of 2014 involved rescue missions. In one, a family of 4 called for help when their child became ill. They were on a sailboat 900 miles off the coast of Mexico. Their rescue involved the U.S. Navy, the Coast Guard, and the California Air National Guard. In another news story, a caver in Germany was nearly 4,000 feet underground when he was hit by a falling rock. It took rescue teams 11 days to get him safely back to the surface. It is easy to argue that people should be stopped from putting themselves in danger. However, this would be impossible to enforce. Usually, when people need to be rescued, it is because something unexpected happened. In 2012, millions of people hiked, climbed, and boated in national parks, but only 2,876 needed help. More than 1,600 of those emergencies may have been caused by risky decisions. Someone has to pay for those rescues. The rescue of the family stranded at sea cost $663,000. That figure does not include pay for the rescue workers. Getting the caver safely to the surface involved 728 people. Some people wind up in trouble because of bad luck, but others make dangerous choices. We need to treat these two groups differently. People who take extreme risks should pay for their rescue operation. Some states have passed laws to reflect this belief. In New Hampshire, for example, hikers who get lost or injured because of reckless behavior can be billed for rescue services. Not everyone agrees that people should be responsible for the costs of their rescue. Howard Paul, a spokesman for the National Association for Search and Rescue, says, "We know that when people believe that they are going to receive a large bill for an SAR mission, they delay a call for help or they refuse to call for help." He can list many examples of people making their problems worse by not calling for help because they are worried about the cost. And a second lieutenant in the California Air National Guard who helped rescue the family at sea put it this way: "We're out there to save lives. You can't put a price on that." However, arguments against charging for rescue miss an important point. Many rescue workers have lost their own lives saving others. In addition, the idea of holding people responsible is not to stop rescuing them. It's to discourage them from behaving in foolish and dangerous ways. That can only be a good thing. In the end, taxpayers cover the cost of rescue for those who put themselves at risk. Maybe there are better uses for our money.